So for your kitchen islands, kind of the most basic was what we wanted to look at is whether or not you want a mobile kitchen island or a fixed island. And this really just is determined by your space and how you're working within that space. A mobile island can be really nice if we're working within a little bit of a smaller kitchen. Maybe you can pull it out depending on what station you're working at. You know, are you over near your range and you need some extra space, or are you closer to your kitchen and need a little bit of a prep area as you're chopping things? Maybe something that can tuck on to the end of cabinetry when not in use. Now with a fixed island, that's majority of the time what you're gonna see in homes, really nice for if you have the space for it. And within those, we're seeing a lot more of lowering down, making it a nice even countertop rather than the step up for your bar seating, just to make it more functional all around. Within that too, depending on space, you can do a double-sided, get some nice storage on the back side of your island where you might have seating. It's a great place to store those items that you don't pull out all of the time. Large serving pieces that you're bringing out around the holidays when all of the family is around. But you're not necessarily getting out every day. So having someone sitting there is not so much in the way of accessing it. Kitchen island is also a really great place where you can bring a little bit more of your personality into your kitchen. You know, you can do a contrasting color to your perimeter cabinets or even just the countertop itself and switching it up. Maybe you're doing a butcher block on your kitchen island versus potentially a quartz that you have on the perimeter, and or vice versa, just depending on the look and feel of your space.